In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize calendar Notion. If you've ever tried to click and drag the edge of a Notion calendar to make it bigger or smaller, you've probably noticed it doesn't work. Notion doesn't offer a direct resize handle for calendar views. Instead, the reliable way to control how large or compact your calendar appears is by using columns. That's what we'll do together now. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the page that contains the calendar you want to resize. This could be a dedicated calendar page or a database with a calendar view. Either one works the same way. With your calendar visible, click into the page and type the / command for columns. As you start typing column, Notion will suggest options to insert columns. Choose how many columns you want, such as 2 or 3. Notion will immediately split your page into those columns, creating side-by-side areas where you can place content. Now place your calendar inside one of those columns. If your calendar is already on the page, drag it by its handle into the column you prefer. Once it's in a column, you'll notice the calendar resizes to fit the width of that column. This is the key. The column width controls the calendar size. A wider column gives you a larger calendar, a narrower column makes it more compact. If you want to fine-tune the size, adjust the space between columns by dragging the vertical divider left or right. Think of 2 columns as a comfortable, medium size for most screens. 3 columns will make your calendar more compact, which can be great if you also want notes or tasks alongside it. You can even use an extra, mostly empty column as a spacer to keep the calendar readable without feeling cramped. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep the calendar in the column that best matches your work style and screen size. If the text or events look squished, widen that column slightly. And remember that you can always change the number of columns later by adding or removing a column layout and moving the calendar accordingly. And that's it. By using columns, you can effectively resize your Notion calendar and make your page layout work for you. Try a few arrangements until it feels just right for your workflow.